Start the recording. Have we gone live? I don't see here. We're going live. 1 minute. Let me try again. Okay. Share on my timeline. Come on. Still not on Facebook Live. Guys, give me 2 minutes. I'm just trying to get it organized. Okay. Come on. Okay. Some reason it's not going live. Okay, something is happening. It's not going live, which is absolutely okay. We don't have to worry. It goes, it goes, it doesn't go, it doesn't go. We'll try again in a little while. So welcome everybody. How's everybody today? For me, today is a very significant day. We're doing the 100th show and 101 show. And we started on 22nd of March. And we started this because I was sitting down in my room and somebody gave me a call. He's just 27 years of age and said, I'm feeling palpitations, anxiety, and I don't want to live. And more than living, he felt he was going to die. He didn't have to take his life. The lockdown had started in India, and I wondered how many people are there in the same state. I myself was feeling the panic sitting at home in my four walls because government had suddenly decided that we are going to be in a lockdown. To be really honest, I thought it was just for the fun of it. It can't be that serious. I really never took coronavirus that seriously because of all the mental health education that we've gone through. It seemed to me like that cannot be happening. That's not possible. How can it be that I just stand next to someone and I'm going to carry a disease in my story until unless there is something happening out there in my space? So, yeah, because it was so new, we couldn't figure it out. We didn't know what that was about. And that's where this whole story started. We didn't even have a Zoom connection. So I called up Sarso, that's Saraswati, and asked her to kind of help me out. And she created a Zoom link, the free call Zoom link, and she sent it to me, which would trip every 40 minutes. And then we kind of gave it a little more structure. We suddenly realized that was by fluke, we realized that we could record these programs. And then we also lost quite a bit of recordings because we kept them on the cloud and then they expired. We didn't know, we kept thinking we'll upload it, someday, sometime. And we had all the time in the world. Through this process, I connected with all my friends across the globe. These are the people who mean something to me. Anju means something to me. Julia, Jules means something to me because we've interacted. These are not the people who I don't know. They are friends. And my friends stood up together so that you at home could be having a smile on your face and could go anxiety free for maybe 2 hours, 1 hour, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it was worth, or maybe for lifetime. And as I proceed further, I don't know where it will go because I have not thought about anything as an outcome. I didn't think we would cross 100 because that was not in my head. I didn't have an agenda. There was only one focus, and the focus was how can we bring a smile on someone's face? I also realized that there are people who don't need this kind of a lecture. You know what they need is love, affection, real human touch, food, money, and my lecture over here has no meaning for them. So unfortunately, this forum cannot reach everyone, though that is an attempt that we are making. Even today on the forum, we have about 30, 40, 50, 60, 90 is the highest. We reached 96 at one point. And that's why the videos are kept on the channel so that you can go and revisit them at any time. If any time my speaker had an objection and said, I don't want whatever I said in the Zoom call to go ahead, we haven't forced anything. We've spoken about very sensitive topics and to people from across different walks of life, including Indian Army, Air Force, doctors, conventional doctors to homeopathy doctors, to trainers, to whoever I knew. And we have a list of trainers already and list of people already till July. I have a booking of people right till July mid. So which is great. The only difference is now we are not doing it every day, but on a specific day that we do more than one session. And that compensates for the days that we are not filling in. So I needed to take that break. I needed to be kind to myself. And I really, you know, when I was looking at those messages that were falling in WhatsApp, I came very close to my receiving is very sad. It's opening, but I'm really looking at it, and it brought emotions, it brought feelings, it brought things like that, you know, I remember the song that says, Tum besahara ho to kisi ka sahara bano. तुमको अपने आप ही सहारा मिल जाएगा. This is to translate Hindi to English. तुम बेसहारा हो, if you are without anybody to support you, you become someone's support. And then someone will support you. And that feels like that became the motto of this group. So I am in deep gratitude to each and every one of you to support, to be here. Because if you're not there, what am I running the show for? And it's not even a show. It's the place where we friends meet, we connect with each other, we look at each other, we take visual disconnect off, and we cry, we laugh, we show our white hair, we show our imperfections. And you know what? It's okay to have imperfections. It's beautiful to have imperfections, because if I was perfect, I would have nothing to learn. So I am so grateful. We are going to call Binaifa, we've not even counted her sessions in these 100 sessions. She's done more than 40 sessions, guys, for us. Every day with consistency. She's been here for all of you, so that she could read cards for you, so that she could read Kaudis for you. Right now, she's going to be doing first reading for us with the shells. It's a beautiful, unique way, and I would want to learn from her. If anybody else wants to learn from her, do put your hands up, and then we'll organize a class. So over to right now to my beautiful friend, Binaifa. Wow, isn't she pretty, guys? Okay, Binaifa, over to you. She's the Madhuri Dixit of our group, guys. She's really pretty. Go ahead.
Thank you, Anu, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Amazing that you've done 100 sessions. Really.
We have all done it together.
Yes. Okay, so I'll start with Jules.
You start with Jules, then Anju, and we'll read a few more people.
Yeah. Jules, do you have any question or should I just cast?
Jules, do you have any question?
No, just go. You just go.
So, Jules, for you, I have got that if you are facing any issues or anything with your family, slowly and steadily that's going to resolve itself. It's on its way out. And there is a beautiful journey waiting for you, a spiritual journey where you need to connect more within yourself. And that is going to open up a lot for you, where it's going to be like a self growth for you, a time for self growth, a time where you will have a lot of self wisdom. It's already there, it's just going to come more into your awareness. So, whatever you do to increase your spirituality or to increase your intuition, please just push it up a notch, because that is going to get a long way for you, and that's going to really change the way you look at yourself and the world. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. We go in for Anju Korean. If you want your cowries to be read, please put it on the chat so I can then help Vinayfer to identify you. Thank you.
Anju, any questions?
No, I'm most excited.
Okay. Anju, for you, I'm getting a beautiful time with family, with relationships, or whatever issues are there have melted, and it's just going more and more towards a beautiful relationship with family, maybe with a special person. If you're waiting for an addition in the family, yes, it's going to happen soon. And you are a person who is happy, but you tend to at times get a bit serious. So you need to go more within with that inner happiness, with that with a place where you are content and just happy. So it's okay to be crazy at times. It's okay to just maybe just put on some loud music and dance just for yourself. Do that for yourself, for nobody else. And few blocks are there maybe in communicating with loved ones. So as long as you see a different perspective, maybe look at it from where they have misunderstood you, and things could just sort out magically. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you for that. Teji has asked for a reading. Teji Sethi, could you just say a hi to us, Teji?
Hi, everybody. Hi, Binayfer.
Hi.
Wonderful.
Binayfer, general and in specific, my journey on the spiritual side.
Okay.
Please mute everybody. Thank you.
Teji, for you, you have a spiritual journey waiting for you, but you're blocking it. Maybe you're scared because you feel that if you go more on the spiritual side, your family might suffer, or you might not have enough time for them. So you have to learn that balance where you can manage both, because spirituality doesn't mean detachment. You don't have to detach yourself from the family or from your loved ones just so that you can be spiritual. You can be both. It's just a balance in your mind, and it's just a balance you have to learn how to achieve. And don't feel scared to ask for help. You can manage your time, maybe ask a family member to contribute in some way where you can keep that time aside for yourself and have a spiritual growth. I'm also seeing a good time where you're going to get some money. Maybe if something was stuck, it's going to be released. or if something was due to you, that is going to come your way. So you can enjoy that. Thank you.
Wonderful. The
Thank you
next,
so much, Binaifar.
the
Thanks.
next reading is for Meher. General reading for her. Meher, could you just say hi?
Hi, Binaifar and Anu.
Hi. Meher, you need to connect more with your family. You need to, I mean, you are there physically with them, but more an emotional connect is required. And you are getting intuitively the messages what you need to do for that. So please follow that and go ahead with that. You are also trying to block your spiritual side somewhere. So please go ahead and do something which will help you advance, and just not for anything else, but for your own inner peace. You need to do that. For you also, I'm getting a good time for some money coming in. I'm seeing that. And also you need to also ask for help. Don't feel shy, because people are there out there who are going to help you, and that help is going to create a better environment for you. So maybe this is related to your family, where you don't want to ask them for help, where you want to do everything yourself. So don't put that much pressure on yourself. Go ahead and ask for help. It's going to be good. Thank you.
Wonderful. The
Thank you.
last reading is for Claudia. Yeah, and general again.
Claudia, any questions?
Claudia, you have any question?
No, whatever comes up.
Okay. Wonderful.
Claudia, you might be feeling a little restricted right now, things not moving your way, and a lot of ups and downs, maybe even in your mind, things not clearing up, not moving ahead easily. So you need to change your perspective about what the truth is. So what is presenting itself to you, there is something else underneath that you're not seeing clearly. So just clear your mind, take some time, maybe just re-evaluate the situation where you're feeling blocked in, and try to look at it from a different angle. That is going to open up a lot of truths and a lot of information which you've not been looking at before. And that is going to slowly ease out the situation that you're in. And I'm seeing a lot of abundance, a lot of happiness coming your way. So you just need to change a little bit, change your mind, how to see things in a very slightly different way, and a lot of happiness is coming your way. So enjoy that. Thank you.
Thank you, Binaifar. I would like a reading today because it's a 100th session.
Yes.
And then for the whole group. Thank you.
So for you, Anu, what you need to do, Anu,
Yes.
is enjoy yourself right now. And intuitively, you're getting connected to a lot of things. And this is the time where a lot of karmic release is happening for you. So let that happen. Whatever emotions are flowing through you, let that out. Because this is a time for your release. Let it out. And while the release is happening, please know that you need to enjoy yourself also and be happy about it. So I can understand that if you're feeling angry at someone for whatever reason, because it's a release, you can't at that time be happy. But yeah, be happy that, okay, I'm angry with this person and this is a release, so I'm going to dance. So do that, because you need that inner happiness to come out, because that is what's going to make you really shine and shine out so bright that I'm seeing a lot of abundance coming your way in terms of finances and terms of spreading your work worldwide.
Thank you.
So just try and be happy from within, and that's going to really, really change a lot for you. And again, you need to do some sort of chanting, some sort of meditation, whatever you feel comfortable with. Go ahead and do that. It's really going to change a lot for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Most
for the whole group, and then we call Anju. I've been trying to put it on the Facebook. It's just not happening. But that's okay. It's probably not meant to be.
But it says recording.
It's recording on the for the YouTube, but it's not recording for the Facebook. It's not going live. Let me try once more.
So for the whole group, I have got that there is a lot of wisdom which is coming our way, and we just need to accept it. We need all of us, or at least most of us, are going to channel something or learn something which is going to be really good for us, which is going to help us move to a state of more abundance. So we should accept that with open arms, and also that is going to release a lot of karmic issues for us, a lot of beliefs that we had which are not serving us anymore are going to be released. So be open to that, and again, try and be happy from within. All of us have somehow again stifled our happiness because of whatever situations that we are in. We are just not able to be happy from within. We are showing it externally, but inside everyone is in a mess. So please just be happy for yourself, if not for anyone else. Because again, mental health is important. So please don't ignore. Thank you.
Wonderful. Darpana is saying that she cannot hear. Can you hear now, Darpana?